Okay, what we got in the mail today? Bills. Another bill. Man, how can I get some money to pay these bills? A friend told me about some PayPal cash codes. He sent me a text. Let me check. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, let's see what we got here. $20 PayPal money? No, this can't be right. $5 PayPal money? What? PayPal custom amount? Wow, I wonder how much that is. Another custom amount? Wow. Whoa, where do I sign up at? So I go to www. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get PayPal cash codes for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes this month, I'm going to give away some free money. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. And also hit that like button for me. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. All right. I don't want to waste you guys' time. I'm going to go ahead and get into this method right now. So please watch this video all the way to the very end because I don't want you to miss not one step to make as much money as you can with this method. And also I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. So it will be very beneficial if you guys watch this all the way to the very end. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how to get PayPal cash codes for free. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called PrizeRebel. Now, I've talked about this website in the past, but that was sometime last year, so this is a new year. So I'm gonna show you how this website works, but also I'm gonna show you how you can get these PayPal cash codes, and this is one of the sites where you can get it from. So it does say you complete paid surveys, but you're not going to go ahead, you're not going to do that. You're going to watch some videos to make some money. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and log into my account, and I'm going to show you how everything works in this website. Okay, I'm inside of my account, and I went over here and clicked on where it says earn, and I clicked on videos. So they have a lot of different categories. They have creator of the day. They have food, music, celebrity, viral, best life, gaming, adventure, movie buzz, tech talk, laughs. So they got all different types, and this is how much you can make once you watch a video. 55 cents. In the food category, music category, 55 cents. Celebrity, 55 cents. Viral, 55 cents. So you're just going to click on here, and it's going to take you to another site and see ad pop up. But you're going to, after ad, you're going to be looking at a video. And you're going to make some points off of that. So once you make the points, let me just go back here. So as you can see, I already made 10 points just looking at video. So it's that easy. So after you make the points, you're going to go to this other page on this website to redeem your PayPal cash. So let's go there. Okay, now as you can see, here's the rewards page. And to get this PayPal money right here, you got to get 500 points to get $5 PayPal cash. Now I'm going to show you And they got other things. So if you want to get Amazon or Apple, or you want to get some Dunkin' Donuts, Whopper from Burger King, Starbucks, want to get a game, you get $5 for GameStop, Walmart, $5 for Walmart. But now if you want to get just PayPal cash, they have it where you can get a custom amount. So let me go to that one. Right. Let me go to that page right quick and show you that. I'm going to go to PayPal. And you're going to scroll down here. See where it says PayPal custom amount? We're going to click on that. And you'll be able to put a custom amount. Then you'll click claim item. And what's going to happen is you're going to get an email. And when you get that email, it's going to say redeem PayPal cash. And it's going to have a code in there where you can redeem more you can get some more points to redeem more PayPal cash. So that's how you get free PayPal cash codes. Once you get an email from PrizeRebel telling you you can go ahead and collect your PayPal cash, they're going to send you more points to collect more PayPal cash, but they're going to send you a code where you have to use that. So that's how that works. So I want to show you one more thing before I go ahead and leave this site. As you can see, here's the recent rewards. And this is what I showed you early on in the video. So they put a custom amount. This person got paid, I don't know the amount, but that's what they got. Here's one person that's working on this website. I got $5. Here's another one, got a custom amount, got another $5, got a gift card. Here's one got $10 gift card. So this is real live time right here. People are getting paid for just watching videos, doing surveys, and doing other things. So if you're ready to make some PayPal money and receive cash codes, go to PrizeRebel.com. Okay, now you know the site you can go to right now and start earning some PayPal cash and get PayPal codes. So go ahead and sign up with that website and let's start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Now, before I tell you about the special bonus, I want to tell you this. Are you having trouble focusing and deal with dehydration problems? Well, check out this right here. It's called Refresh. All you have to do is add it to your water. It's some powder, it's all natural. You just add it to your water and instantly you'll be hydrated and you'll start to focus more. So if you're grinding all night long and trying to get your focus on your business, check out Refresh at FNX Fit. The link is in the description below. Once you click that link, you get 15% off on all products at that website. All right, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, it's about the free money. So, to win the free money for this month, I have to get to 2,500 subscribers. So guys, help me get to 2,500 subscribers, and 2 of you guys are gonna win some free money. So you have to be a subscriber to this channel, be part of the Grind family, and you have to watch all my videos and like all my videos, and watch all my videos all the way to the very end, and make sure you comment on every video, because what I'm gonna do is randomly pick the comments, and those people are gonna win the free money. And I'm gonna use this website is called YouTube Random Comment Picker. So I'm gonna do that live on a video so you guys will get to see who will win the free money. So I'll let you know that, I'm not messing around here. I'm doing it with the legit, I'm doing it a legit way where I just won't randomly pick something or pick a comment that I like. This just gonna be randomly picked, so you could be the lucky winner. So please follow those instructions and you can win some free money. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button and help me get to like 50 likes. YouTube like videos with a lot of likes. So help me get my video out there so more people can see it. Just hit that like button, give me 50 likes. And please drop a comment down below. YouTube also like a lot of engagement going on in videos. So if you leave a comment down there for me, that would definitely help out. And also you'll get a chance to win some free money. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can make money online. And please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know you won't miss not one video, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Thanks again, Grind family, for your support. And please keep watching. Until next time, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Please go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.